Well, hello, William Williams, Philippines. Uh, yeah, just got a new shirt and pair of shorts. It's actually a triple X. I actually found one that actually fits and leaves me elbow room for a whopping $18.21, 1,020 pesos. Anyway, this is William Williams, Philippines, and it is Tuesday, August 5th at about 6:30 p.m. It's raining outside, and I come home drowned. Just barely got out of the wet clothes and tried these on to make sure they did fit, and yay, they do. Now I can take the tags off. That and can't really see them. Too short. Yeah. So for under, well, $18.21, I'm happy with that. Hey, I'm gonna have to find a raincoat or poncho, rain poncho. Yeah, it rains around here, and from what I understand, this is supposed to be rainy season. So, on my list of things I need to get, rain poncho. As crazy as it sounds, I had fun riding back in the rain. Okay, quack, 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 quack. I got quackers. I'm a duck. Because that's about the only thing that could have fun in the rain. So, yeah, I'm in a good mood. Got to talk to the man about the radios, and he says that there's a test coming up to get the license, and that mine will carry over, but they'd prefer if you get your own over here and have your own call sign. I might. Especially if I can get a little bit of studying done after I get my eyes done. And I might be able to study enough to try and take the technician and the general. I don't know for sure. I asked the man about getting the manual for the studying to do this, and he said he would look. So, I've had a good day. Yeah, had a good conversation with him and enjoyed a meal. And then got here, took a quick nap, got up, decided to go try and do something, and I got the bolt for the door, and I found a chain and lever for the toilet. I'll go back and get that probably Thursday. I think tomorrow, Wednesday, is just going to be get the maintenance people to put the throw bolt in for the door and set up the computer. Get everything up and going. Because you know that's going to be such fun. If everything works right, it could possibly be just plug in my router to that Wi-Fi 5G phone router thing, and my network might still be operational that way. I'm hoping. If not, We'll see. So I'm going to try to hope for the positive and be prepared for the other end of it if necessary. And somebody suggested something crazy, I think. I think they were really messing with me. That I should try a manicure. I think they were messing with me and just want to get me stuck into a women's beauty salon, getting my nails done, getting giggled at by everybody. So, yeah. Do you know who you are? Anyway, hope the kittens are doing good, or the cats are doing good. Anyway, yeah, definitely an interesting day. And I also tried something new while I was over there. When I went out first and saw that it was raining, I decided to go back in and ended up running across this in the shorts. I already had the throw bolt, but it was raining, and I decided to try and see if I could wait it out. An hour later, a shirt and a pair of shorts and some shumai. I have no idea what it actually is, but it was good. And I think that's what they call it, is shumai. I actually enjoyed it. And 4 pieces for like 65 pesos. Okay, I'm going to enjoy that little snack and call it good. Of course, the girl looked at me like I was a little crazy when I ordered just one. She saw how big I was and was thinking, oh, I've got a big sale here, and then I only ordered one. Yeah, I'd already eaten earlier, so wasn't really hungry. And yeah, I'm still trying to lose weight. I do want to lose the weight. 36s are feeling comfortable, which is good. I do want to get down to that 34 though. I ain't gonna. I ended up with that pair of 32s by mistake. I'm gonna call them inspiration and aim for 32 and be happy when I hit 34. Yeah. Yeah, it's my delusion. I'll enjoy it while I can. Anyway, yeah, interesting day. And Salamat kayo. Hakayo? Yeah, Salamat kayo. Thank you very much. Anyway, I'm trying to learn more stuff. Add a little bit in. Try maybe one word every other day. I'm trying. Anyway, this is Williams, Philippines. I hope you've had a blessed day. I know mine has been. I've enjoyed it. Life's good. And yeah, trying to figure things out. Yeah, this has been a blessing today. Anyway, fix what's between your left ear, your right ear, your heart, head, and God, and don't worry about what's outside of you because that's somebody else's job. Learn to just take on your job. Be happy with it. It makes life a lot easier and a lot less headaches. And hey, get away from the TV. It's not doing you any good. I can tell you I haven't had pretty much any idea of what's going on over there, and I'm okay with that. And if it hadn't have been for the fact that my phone put a weather alert up for storm coming in, I probably wouldn't have known that it was going to rain. Would have helped if I'd have got it a little earlier before I left the house. I might need to adjust some timing on notifications. I don't know. Or do they just send it out and say, hey, the rain's coming? Here it is. I don't know. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. And again, more food. Enjoy it. This is Williams, Philippines. Later blessings. Bye-bye. I am fishing. Guess what? Fish is out.